This video is designed to provide you with a basic overview of the new SAT format. The new SAT is 3 hours long, plus an additional 50 minutes if you take the optional essay portion. It is a mixture of multiple choice questions and student-produced responses, and that is for the math section only. For the multiple choice, there are 4 choices. In the past, the SAT had 5 choices for the multiple choice questions. The SAT is graded on a scaled score from 400 to 1600, 200 to 800 of that for reading and writing, and 200 to 800 of that being mathematics. If you do take the essay, it is graded on a scale of 2 to 8. It does cost $45 plus an extra $12 if you take the essay. It is currently offered 7 times a year. The following is a breakdown of each of the content areas. So for the reading section, it is 65 minutes long, 52 questions that are all multiple choice. You're asked to read passages and interpret information in the form of graphics. It will ask you to show command of evidence, words in context, and analysis in history, social studies, and science. For the writing and language section, it's 35 minutes, 44 questions, all of which are multiple choice. And it'll ask you to read and find mistakes and make corrections. For the math section, it is 80 minutes long. There are 58 questions, 45 of which are multiple choice, and 13 are student-produced response questions. It is split into 2 sections, so one of them being a non-calculator section and the other calculator section. So for the non-calculator section, it is 25 minutes long and there are 20 questions. And for the section that you are allowed to use a calculator, it's 55 minutes and 38 questions long. For the math, it is broken down into 4 sections. The heart of algebra, which is 33% of the math section. Problem solving and data analysis, which is 29% of the math section. Passport to advanced math, which is 28% of the math section. And lastly, other additional topics that represents 10% of the math section. If you do take the optional essay, it is 50 minutes long. You will read and explain how the author builds an argument to persuade an audience, and then support your with explanations and evidence from the passage. So please look for more information on the math section in my other videos. I hope you find this helpful.